Well, g'day and welcome to the Loan Market Richmond winter update for 2022. So this is filmed in the middle of July, and as at now, we've had 1.25% increases to the cash rate. So the cash rate is now 1.35, and in broad terms, if you think about a bank putting a 2% margin onto that for their own business and income, that means home loan rates variable are 3.5. So if you have a 3.5 variable home loan, that's pretty solid. If it's much more than that, you need to give me a call. Fixed rates have gone up a lot in advance, so the future of money is still trending up, and a 3-year fixed, for example, is in the range of 6%, so 2.5% higher than the current variable rates. An interesting thing on variable rates is the banks have improved the discounts for variable rates. So whatever your loan is now, or rather 3 months ago, pro rata, they're giving 0.4 to 0.5% better discounts to a new customer today. So absolutely worth a review process. The other thing about interest rates rising is that assessment rates are also rising. So it is getting tougher to qualify for a loan. So you need to be a little bit cautious when buying and well prepared for what if the repayments go up and what if the assessment rates go up and what does that mean in my situation. So we're being very conscious of doing that exercise for people in planning mode to make sure they don't get caught out. Big news too on First Home Guarantee. So it used to be called the First Home Loan Deposit Scheme, now First Home Guarantee. There's been extra spaces for this. It's an awesome scheme. So for first home buyers, there is some eligibility, so contact us to check it out. But for first home buyers who have a 5% deposit that they've saved themselves, in Sydney Metro, they can buy up to $900,000 and the government would be your guarantor. So you don't need a parent guarantee and you don't need to pay mortgage insurance. So you need to have 5% of your own savings, and the rest you have to be able to pay the purchase costs as well, so the stamp duty and the like. The stamp duty discounts and exemptions are still the same, so nil stamp duty to $650,000 and a sliding scale where you pay full duty from $800. Always give us a call to check that out. We love helping first home buyers. It's by far the biggest segment of people we support. Property market is a little bit tricky at the moment. It comes and it goes. It's very much something to think of as a long-term investment. Certainly agents are commenting that the people attending open homes has reduced hugely, that the days on market are increasing. There's a little bit of trend of some reducing in prices. You might find there's some good opportunities coming. And when that might be, who knows? So you can get too cute with that stuff. I've had clients who've waited for drops that never happen. So yeah, that's a tough one to call. But certainly the trend in property is that property is staying longer on market and you might have more of a buyer opportunity than perhaps we had up until recently. The big market for us at the moment, first home buyers and repricing and refinancing loans. So people who are treating this time to consolidate, maybe to do some renovations or replace a car or a little bit of cash out at the same time as getting a cash back from a bank, which is some great opportunities out there to review your loan. Overall, yeah, we're optimistic as always. We had a record year in the financial year up to June, so our office had highest ever volume for the year, which we're proud of, and we're looking forward to helping you and your friends. Also, that can be anywhere. Like, most of my meetings are done by Zoom now. Clients love it. It's more accessible. There's more tools. It's in their own comfortable place. So usually at home, early evening. So yeah, I help people everywhere. The last loan we lodged was for someone in Darwin. So yeah, happy to help you and your colleagues and friends anywhere. And all the best. Trust that you and yours are well. And thanks for listening to the update.